Hello, everyone. Did you know that Google is providing a free tool for keyword research? What we would be doing today is that we would be looking onto Google Trends. We would be writing Google Trends in the search bar. So, this is the dashboard of Google Trends. It is basically a free tool provided by Google that analyzes the popularity of top search queries in Google search across various regions and locations. It offers insights into what people are searching over time and allows users to compare search volumes for different terms. Users can track trends on specific topics, discover emerging trends, and see research interest spikes during particular periods or in specific locations. So, what we would be doing is we can pick up a keyword like in recruitment agency, the most used keyword is virtual assistant. So this would be giving me the complete brief over the keyword virtual assistant, wherein I'll be having the location, the past number of days, and which web platform to search for. The location that I would be choosing is United States. I would be choosing past 12 months. So here is the graph which would let us know whether how many users daily write virtual assistant in the search bar as a query. This is the interest by region in the United States that which people are finding virtual assistants, and this is the related queries. Now, what do people write onto Google? It can be summons for a virtual assistant crossword. It can be side hustles. It can be Google virtual assistant phone calls. So making it more, we can make it more specified. Let's try comparing them both. The second most used keyword is remote work. So I can change it onto YouTube search, Google Shopping, news search, but the web search is the best. So this would give me the pattern of which keyword is being used. So this graph shows that on average, people are searching remote work at a higher rate. If we see for October 13th till 19th, it is 97 for remote work and it is 23 for virtual assistant. If we go on to the regions worldwide, again the same trend is being shown that as compare remote work is being searched 95 times and virtual assistant is being searched 52 times. So the more search query is for remote work. Let's break it down by the region. The most people who are interested in virtual assistant by location are the ones from Philippines, then from Nigeria, then from Indonesia, Kenya, South Korea. Let's shift it for remote work. The more people are interested in remote work in United States, Ireland, Portugal, Poland, and Canada. What they are looking for is virtual assistant program, rapid assistance, virtual assistant, five-star virtual assistant. And if we see by the region for virtual assistant, there are two search queries or search interests for Russia. There are seven search interests for Canada. For Brazil, it is less than one. For Australia, it is seven. For Nigeria, it is 52.